Good afternoon. I'm at Boone Lake. I guess I'm going to start off with some bass fishing today, and then we'll see what happens from there. Deer. Oh, there she is. There she is. Check her out. There she goes. Oh, they're still in the woods looking at me. Got one on. He's a little one. Oh, he just got me hung up, I think. Yep. Oh, he's still on here. Oh, he's not too bad. There we go. No giant, but still fun. Get back in there. He went straight under that rock. Oh, there's a better one. There we go. Little smallie. Oh, easy, buddy. He's chunky. He's little, but he's chunky. Oh. Easy, I'll get you back in there. Hang on. Yeah. This is steeper than it looks, so I'm going to give him a toss. Should be fun. Get back in there. Yeah. Oh, he took off line. There we go. Got a little one. Just barely got him. Got that tail back up in your gill, buddy. There we go. Hang on, I'm getting him. Oh, there we go. Oh, little one. Get back in there. Let's try to get another one. I wanted to talk about the baits I was using today for this video. I was using the Swing Impact Fat 2.8 and the Pro Blue color, and I have one rigged up here the way I was fishing it. It's on a 16th ounce crappie magnet, or a crappie pro jig head, and I like to use them with a number 1 hook. And the way I was fishing it, they were either hitting it on the fall or going almost as fast as I could make it go. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here for today and go ahead and head back. Caught some fish, seen some deer, had a good time. And if you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I put out new fishing videos every Sunday. Thanks for watching.